So partner determination procedure. So first step is define partner functions. So we are not doing this step because these partner functions are already defined in the system. So no need to do this step. So these are already defined in the system. Okay. So we will do from this step onwards. Okay. So now whenever we created a customer master, so what is the trigger to create the customer master? In the XD01 T code, we will create the customer master.
XD01. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to give the account group. So what is our account group which we have created? X001. So this is my account group. So here, this is external or internal? My X001. This is external. External in the sense, I have to give the customer externally. Okay. So system won't propose. So give the company code, give the sales organization, give the distribution channel, and give the division. Click on enter. So we'll give only the mandatory fields. So if we see here, total how many partner functions we got? We got total 4 partner functions. Why we got total 4 partner functions? Because in my account group. So what is my account group? What is the T code to view the account group? The T code to see the account group is OVT0 in my account group. So what is my sold to party account group? X001. My partner determination procedure is XAG. Sorry. So in the partner determination procedure of XCAG, so total how many partner functions were there? I will open a notepad. So in my account group of X001 contains the partner determination procedure as XCAG. In the XCAG, I have 4 partner functions. One is SP, SH, BP and PY. Because of this, whenever I am created a customer master, I got 4 partner functions. Okay. So this process of linking partner functions to the partner determination procedure, we call it as a partner determination procedure. So XCAG is the partner determination procedure. In this XCAG, we have 4 partner functions. Now my client requirement is now what they want to have one more partner function, because as we see here, Apollo Pharmacy. So Apollo Pharmacy, the head office of Apollo Pharmacy is in Hyderabad. We have Apollo Pharmacy at 4 places. In Apollo Jubilee Hills, we have a Apollo main office. We do have some other offices, other hospitals of Apollo. Apollo Secunderabad we do have. Okay. And Apollo Hyderabad is there. PRDO is there. So every time, who will place the order every time? Where is the head office? The main head office is Apollo Jubilee Hills. So this is a location. Jubilee Hills is a location. Secunderabad is a location. Hyderabad is a location. DRDO is a location of Hyderabad. So in these 4 places, we have Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, in these 4 locations, we have Apollo Hospital. Okay, but which is the main hospital? Apollo Jubilee Hills. Here Here they will all the IT team, the billing team, everything, all the teams will sit in Apollo Jubilee Hills. Okay, all the teams will sit in Apollo Jubilee Hills. Now Apollo Jubilee Hills, whenever we are creating a customer in the Apollo Jubilee Hills, this is the sold party, this is the ship to party, this is the bill to party, and this is the payer. But Apollo Secunderabad is also a hospital. They will also need the products. Okay, they will also need the products. So we can't create one more Apollo hospital. So this is the main Apollo hospital. So we will create only one hospital. So but we do have some other ship to parties. So why? Because they will need some products. They will need some products. So again, they can't deliver it to Secunderabad. Apollo Jubilees can't deliver it to Secunderabad. What? Just they will give the address. So in Amazon scenario, what will happen in Amazon scenario? I am in Hyderabad. Okay, my friend is in Bangalore. Okay, so but account is one only. Just I am adding the Bangalore address. I am sending it to my friend. Okay, the account is same. Amazon account. The ownership is same, but I am in Hyderabad. I'm not creating a new Amazon account. Just I am adding a new ship to party. The same way in this scenario also, if Secunderabad needs some products, so we will add directly one ship to party. If Hyderabad we need some products, we will add another address. DRDO will add another address. So how to add another ship to parties? So today we'll learn. So to add another ship to party, again we have to do the partner determination procedure. We need to have another account group for ship to party. Okay, so first we have to create a account group. First we need to create another account group. So the standard account group is 0001. So this is SAP provided. So what we will do, we will create our own X002. And after that we have to assign this partner determination procedure with here only which partner function will be there, only ship to party will be there. Okay, here we don't have any sold to party in this account group, in this partner determination procedure. So just it is a address. The Bangalore, no need to create a new customer. Just I will add another address in my account. So the same way, if you correlate with this example, you will understand much better. So now what we need to do, we need to create a new account group and we need to create a new customer. So how we are adding an address? So here we need to create a new customer, but that customer will have only one partner function, that is ship to party. So why we are creating a customer here? We are creating a customer to add the address. That's it. Okay, so now we have to follow this. So we'll create an account group. So I'm saving this customer. Okay, so what is now I have created a customer with sold to party. So now I'm created a customer sold to party. 1 7 times 0 12. So this is a which party? Sold to party customer. In Amazon, this is the main account. Like if you compare with Amazon, this is the main account. Okay, for this account we will add ship to parties. To send it to Bangalore, what we will do in this customer only, we will add another ship to party. We'll add another ship to party. So now first to add another ship to party, need to add another customer. First you need to have a customer with address. So for that you need to have one account group. So that account group is for ship to party. So what is the T code to create the account group? It is already open. So this is my T code. OBT0 is the T code to create the ship to party. So what we will do, we'll simply copy the standard one. So when in real time we don't use the standard one. So just we will copy this thing. Okay, because for reference purpose we will keep the standard entries. So X002 will use the goods recipient or ship to party, anything. Just save it. Okay. So here this is the number range. Okay. So X01 means XDN1 we can see. So here in this range we have to create the customer. So this is the external one. Okay. So now my account group is ready. X002 is for ship to party. Okay. Now we have to do the partner determination procedure. We will create a new partner determination procedure as well. So what is the TIGO to create the partner determination procedure? TIGO-PA. We'll create a new partner determination procedure. So first we have to close this, then only system will allow. So we will create a new one. Standard is WE. We'll create XWE. PDP for this is ship to party PDP. SH. Okay. Select this and double click on the partner functions. So what partner function I want? I want only ship to party. So this is not mandatory and not modifiable. Whatever you want based on your client requirement, you can maintain this. Not modifiable or mandatory. So now save it. So now what step we need to do? We have to assign this to the account group. So what is my account group? X002. What is my partner determination procedure? XWE. Now save it. Now go back. Now the same, another, we have to combine partner function to the account group. Okay. Now save it. With this we have completed our partner determination procedure. Now my account group is ready. Now my account group is ready. So XW is my partner determination procedure. Okay. So we'll create a customer with account group X002. So my account group is X002. This is external or internal? X002. This is external. So what limit I have to give? In this limit I have to give. Okay. So take any number in between that. I am taking this number 5 threes. Okay. So what is my ship to party here? Here I am creating a ship to party customer. Ship to party customer is 5 threes. So this is Apollo. Secunderabad. Assume that this is my friend from Bangalore. So just we'll create a customer. So we'll have only one ship to party because we have added only one partner function. Okay. Now save it. So now my customer 5 times 3 is saved. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go to my main customer. So assume that this is my main Amazon account. This is my main Amazon account. Here I will add one more address. Apollo, this is Apollo Signature. Now I will save it. Okay. So here we can add like this, we will add multiple partner functions. If you want to add multiple bill to parties or multiple payers, this is the same way you can add. So this is how we will create the multiple partner function. So I have created a main sold to party. Here I have created a ship to party. Okay. So in this ship to party, for this ship to party, I have added in this sold to party, in this main account. So like this, we'll add multiple partner functions. So here in the ship to party, okay, this is only a ship to party. This is not a sold to party. So system won't allow to create a sale order with this ship to party. Okay. So this is the customer we will use. So this is only for address point of view. So main customer is this. So like this, if you want, you can do multiple bill to parties and multiple payers. Okay. So this is how we'll add multiple partner functions to the customer master. If you want to add one more bill to party, so the same way you need to create a, if you want to add one more bill to party, so what you have to do, you need to create a account group, you need to create a partner determination procedure. Again, you need to create a customer and you have to add to the this sold to party. So here we have missed the there are few things which we need to discuss in the customer master. Like we have like common division concept is there. First we'll see, we have missed a few things. So we'll have a concept called as a one-time account. So what is meant by a one-time account? So where we will have this one-time account, we'll have this one-time account in our account group. This is saved, right? So we'll have this one-time account field in account group. So if you see this, in all the account groups, you will have this one-time account. So what is this one-time account? So one-time account means, okay, one-time account means it is a customer. We use this only for the one-time customers. So in a business, you will have different customers. Okay, we'll discuss about the what is one-time customer. One-time customer is the customer. So if you take an example of DMart, So DMart will have the customers are fixed. Is the customers are fixed in DMart? No, customers are not fixed. They will change every time. So they don't maintain, the no need of maintaining the customer database. So they won't maintain the customer database. To maintain a customer database. So it's very difficult to maintain a customer database. Why? Base issue. Database, the memory card. They can't maintain that much customer data because every day they visit the customer. Customer visits the DMart. So it's a very huge data. But moreover, it is not necessary also to maintaining the customer database. Why? Because the customer, whoever the customer visited today, we are not sure whether he will visit again or not. Okay, so that is the reason why for the clients like DMart, we will use one-time customer. So what is meant by one-time customer? So we will use this for clients like retail industry. Retail industry, we use a concept called as a one-time customer. The one-time customer means he is the customer who will not place the order for next time. For those one-time customer, we don't waste the space of the database. So what we will do, so we will create a one common customer for all one-time customers without name and address. It's like a dummy customer. So whenever one-time customer will place an order, we use this dummy customer number. Okay. So system won't ask the customer number. So just we will use the dummy customer only. So every time, so assume that we will create a customer with 10,000. So this is my one-time customer. Example, just for example. So example, I have created a customer. What is my customer number? 10,000. So this 10,000 is a one-time customer. So I will not create other customers. Okay. I will not create other customer. So whenever I am creating a sales order, I will give the customer number as 10,000. So if another customer has visited to DMart. Again, we'll give same 10,000 only. So we'll use this customer only because this is a dummy customer. The dummy customer. Okay, so for these clients, we will use this. For this retail industry, we will use this one-time customer. So for that, what we need to do for these kind of industries, we need to check here. We need to check the one-time account. So I will show you in the system when we create a material and everything. Again, I will show you in the system that at that time you will understand much better what is a dummy customer, what is a normal customer. So this is called as a one-time account. So one-time account is nothing but is a customer who may not place order for the next time. For those one-time customers, we don't waste the space of the database by creating customer master record. Okay. So this is called as a one-time account. The standard account group for the one-time customer is a CPD and CPDA. So we'll have few account groups. So SAP has provided the standard account groups for one-time customer is CPD and CPDA. So what is CPD? Here they will have this activate. So CPDA. CPDA also it will be activated. So this is called as a one-time customer. I will show you in the system when we create a material and everything. So, and another point which we need to discuss is common division. So, what is common division? So, we use common division concept if the client is having more number of divisions. So, assume that my client is having 50 divisions. So, first we'll see how to extend the customer from to extend the customer from to another division. So now I have created a customer one number. Okay. So this customer I have created in which sales organization? X100 sales organization. Which distribution channel? X1 distribution channel. Which division? X1 division. Now I want this customer in 100 X1 and X2. So how to do this? We need to do this with the help of the T code called as a XD01. So we are extending the customer from one division to another division. Okay. So now we have created a customer. This is my customer. In which sales area I have created? This sales area I have created. X100, X1, X1. In this sales area. So what is meant by sales area? It's a combination of sales organization, distribution channel and division. So in this sales area, we have created a customer. Now I want to create a customer with X100, X1 as well as X2. Okay. So how to create that? You need to create that with the help of the T code XD01 only. Okay. Here you have to give the give the account group. Here you need to give the customer number and here reference. We use reference option. Give the company code and give the reference division. So in which we have created X1. So it is already created. It is already created in this sales area. Now I want to create it in X100, X2. So this thing we have to give above. This is below in XD01. So above I need to give X100, X1 and X2. Above X100, X1 and X2. So below in the reference already created one. This is already created, already existing in the X1 division. So just click on enter. Okay. Now whatever you want you can fill here and just save it. Okay. So if you see here, customer was created for sales area X100, X1 and X2. We go to the XD02. Click on this. So the customer is there in X1, X1, X1 and X2. So like this, we need to extend the customers to place an order. This customer needs to extend to X2 also because to this customer placing an order for Nephro division. He wants Nephro division. Then how I need to create a sales order with X2 division. So this is how we'll extend the customers from one sales area to another sales area. The same way. So I have shown you the example of sales area. So the same procedure is same. If you want to extend to another sales area or another sales organization, the process is same. Below is whatever is already there. Above whatever you want new one. So like this, we will extend the customers from one division to another division. So we have a concept called as a common division concept. So what is meant by common division concept? So instead of extending the customer from one division to another division, instead of extending the customer from one division to another division, it will save the space as well as the time of the end user to extending the customers from all the divisions. Assume that I have 50 divisions. What I need to do? I need to extend it to 50 divisions. Like this, we will have a number of customers. So we have to create all the customers for 50 divisions. So it will time consuming and it will save the space of the database as well by doing the common division concept. So what is meant by common division concept? We use common division concept if the client is having more number of divisions. So common division will help to save the time of the end users and also the space of the database as we discussed. If you don't have concept of common division, then you have to create customer for each and every division. So the same for each and every division, we have to create the customer. So instead of creating the customer for each and every division, so what we will do, we'll just create a common division and we will assign that common division to all my divisions. So whenever I will create a customer, I will create a customer with the common division. So no need to creating a division, no need to creating a customer for all the divisions. So with this, we will save the times of the end user and space of my system. So how to configure this common division? So I will show you. First, you need to go to the enterprise structure. You need to go to the definition and you need to go to the logistic general. So how we created a division, the same way you need to create a division. So but the name is common division. So X0, this is my common division. Now save it. Okay. So now you have to assign this to go to definition. So now you have created in definition. Now we will assign the common division to your sales organization and distribution channel. So go to sales and distribution. So go to the assign division to sales organization. Here assign to your sales organization. Save it. Okay. So next go to setup sales area. So here also you need to assign to your distribution channels. Now save it. These steps we have to do. After that, we need to go to the sales and distribution. You need to go to the master data. So here you need to define the common divisions. So here go to your sales organization. Here you need to assign your common division. So first you need to define the new division. So we have defined our new division. The division name was X0. So we have assigned the division to the sales organization. Then we have set up the sales area with common division. Okay. Then go to the assign sales and distribution. Here you have to define the assign new division with the existing division. So here you have to assign the all the like this. Like this you have to change for all the divisions. So with this we can save the time and space of the end user. Time of the end user and space of the system. So this concept is called as a common division concept. So we know already. So what is the T code to create the customer? XD01. Change XD02. And for display XD03. So in the display you can't do any change. Here, this is non-editable XD03. Okay. So you have another T codes called as a FD02 and FD03, FD01. So here you will get only company code. You can see only the general data and company code data. Here you don't have any sales area data. So what T code you will use? FD02 and FD03. You want only sales data to view. You don't want company code data. Then you can use the T code BD02. The T code is BD02. You don't have your company code. You will have only general data and sales area data. So these are all the some few T codes. And we have tables. So what is meant by a table? Whatever we have created in the SAP, whatever we have created, the master data, whatever the master data which we are creating, those master data will save in some tables. Okay? So all the master data, whatever we are creating, that will be stored in some tables. So what is the T code to check the tables? SC16N. SC16N is the T code to check the tables. So in the SC16N, you will log in. Okay, in the SC16N, open the SC16N T code, and here you have to give the tables. So all the customer master data will be stored in which tables? The customer master data will be stored in tables like KNA1. So all the general data information will be stored in KNA1. All the company code data will be stored in KNB1. All the sales area data KNBV, partner data KNVP, address data ADRC. Okay, the T code is SC16 or SC16N. Anything you can see. Okay, so we'll discuss in detail later. At the time of discussing the project, there we will discuss again. So whatever the customer which you have created, okay, so just give the customer and click on execute. Here you will find the details of the customer. So which details only here it will, I can see only the general data only. Can I see here sales area data? No, I can't see here the sales area data. These are all only the general details. To see the sales area data, which table? KNBV. Okay. So here I can see the sales area data. So the maximum partial delivery is, customer pricing procedure, customer group, okay, those all fields will be there here. So again we'll discuss in detail later. Okay. So this is called as this is how we can see the tables. The T code to view the tables is SC16N. So here we have few T codes. Apart from XD01, XD02 and XD03, we have the tables like XD04 where we can track the changes in customer master. So XD04 can track the changes in the customer master. So just click on enter. So someone has changed the customer master sales data. Earlier it was X100, X1, X1. Now it is X100, X1, X2. So the changes, whatever the changes. So tax indicator, also it is changed. So general data also. Some changes happen. The customer master partner functions. So here we can see everything. So I'm reverting the changes. So you see the customer X100, X1 and X1. If we go to the general data, So this customer, I will change the customer pricing procedure to we'll see whether I can see here or not. You can see here the customer pricing procedure is changed from 1 to 2. This is new procedure. For this point of view, we will use this T code HD0. All the customer account changes, whatever the changes which we can do after creating of the customer master. So those changes we can track in the T code called as an XD04 and blocking and unblocking. So in the XD05 T code, here if you want you can do the block. So I don't want to overall block, no sales. I don't want to make sales with this customer. Apollo Pharmacy is due to my company, so it's not making the payment, Apollo Pharmacy. So if I'm trying to create a sale order also, system won't allow to create a sale order because I have blocked this sale order. So here we can maintain the block. Not only order block, if you want to do the delivery and billing block also, you can maintain the block. So what happened if the customer is blocked means, if my mobile number is blocked means what will happen? I can't make the calls. If my customer is blocked means I can't make the business. I can't create a sale order with this customer. So flag for deletion is also same, XD07. XD06. XD06 is for customer flag for deletion. Flag for deletion nothing but this is also a kind of I am deleting this customer. So if you check this tick box, so assume that this customer is deleted. Okay, we can't delete the customers, just we will maintain the deletion flags. Okay, so this customer will be inactive now. This is called as how we will maintain the customer flag for deletion. So now I want to change the customer from one account group to another account group. This is a one-time customer. So this is a one-time customer. So here like this in this T code we can make. Active here. So if I want to change the account group of this customer, the T code is HD07. I want to change this account group. So what is the account group of this customer? X001. I want to change it to some other account group. Okay. So I want to change it to some other account group, anything. Whatever the account group you want to change. You have created a customer with wrong account group. Okay. You are supposed to create this customer with Z001 account group, but you have created this customer with X001 account group. Now you want to change the account group. So what is the T code? The T code is XD07. So here you can change the customer account groups. Customer account group has been replaced by sold to party. So now my customer account is replaced. So earlier what was the, to go to so it is replaced with Z001. So this is how you can change the customer account group. So earlier my customer account group was X001. So now what is my customer account group? Z001. Why? What is the need of change? By mistake, I have created with X001. It was supposed to create with Z001. So SAP has provided one option. So if you want to change the T code, if you want to change the account group, go to the T code XD07 and you can change the customer account group. So with this, we have completed our customer master. Tomorrow we'll start material master. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for joining.